Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Zulaika Wajiha binti Muhammad Irwan from Group 28. Today, I would like to present about the research study that I've collected data from under topic called Unveiling the University Students' Transportation Preferences. So, I have collected data based on three main points, which is mode of the transportation the university students use, the reason for transportation choices, and another one is frequency of using the transportation. So the main objective of this research study, is to inform and encourage sustainable transportation choices among university students by presenting insight into their current preferences and the potential impact of the transportation choices on the campus or university sustainability. So moving on to our first main point, which is the mode of transportation the university student use to either go to the class, library or college and other places. Based on this bar graph, I have arranged the data in descending order of popularity among the university students. I also use color-coded technique to emphasize on our topic, which is sustainability of commuting option. So, for the green color is to indicate the eco-friendly way of transportation, which is using the public transportation, walking, cycling, also carpooling. And the red color is to indicate the potential area that need to be improved in sustainability aspect. So, based on the graph also, we can see that 30% of the respondents prefer using public transportation as their transportation option, and 25% prefer walking, 20% prefer cycling, and another 50% of the respondents chooses personal vehicle as their transportation mode, and another 10% of the remaining 10% of the respondents prefer carpooling. So, public transportation indicates the highest preference among university students because it is very affordable and it offers a lot of service in the campus area, especially using the bus. So for the second point is the reasons of transportation choices among university students. So based on this pie chart also that I have generated, it is stated that 35% of the respondents believe that cost is the main factor of the transportation choices, and 25% believe it is because the convenience of using the transportation, and 20% believe it is because of environmental concerns. 50% suggest that time efficiency is the reason of them using the transportation method, and another 5% have another opinion. So we have reached the last one, which is the frequency of commuting. So based on this graph, 40% of the respondents travel daily, 30% travel 2 to 3 times per week, another 20% occasionally, and 10%, the remaining 10% of the respondents rarely commute. Okay, that's all for my presentation of the topic, which is sustainable campus commuting. In conclusion, we could see that 75% of students already use sustainable method in transportation, like using the public transportation, walking or cycling. To add on, this align heavily with their top priority, which is the cost, indicates that sustainable commuting is both eco-friendly and budget-friendly for university students. Other than that, 40% of respondents traveling daily. So, promoting better bike path or pedestrian walkway or increasing the quantity of the public transportation like the bus could significantly reduce the 50% that rely on personal vehicle. and we could also push our campus closer to a net zero carbon footprint and maintain the sustainability of the campus. So that's all from me. Thank you so much. Sorry for misinterpret of the data. Thank you so much.